Grade 8 Biology, Reproduction in Animals, Module 1. Objectives: define reproduction, differentiate sexual and asexual reproduction, illustrate male and female reproductive system in human. Reproduction. Reproduction is the process of continuation of similar kinds of individuals generation after generation. In this process, all living beings produce their young ones for continuity of life on the planet Earth. So, we can define reproduction as a process in which the organisms produce the young ones of their own kind. There are two modes by which animals reproduce. These are sexual reproduction and asexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction. The type of reproduction in which only a single parent is involved is called asexual reproduction. There is no mixing of genetic information. Example, budding in hydra. Sexual reproduction. The type of reproduction which involves two parents to give rise to an offspring is called asexual reproduction. The males and females have different reproductive parts or organs. These organs produce the male and female gametes, which fuse together to form the offspring. Sexual reproduction in humans. Male reproductive system. The male reproductive system consists of a pair of testes, a pair of sperm ducts, and a penis. The testes are located outside the male body. Sperms are produced in testes. Sperms are the male gametes. This is a diagram showing male reproductive system in human. Testosterone. Testosterone is a primary male sex hormone and is produced by the testes. Testosterone is responsible for the development of sex organs, production of sperms, and also the development of secondary sexual characteristics. Sperms. Sperms are the male gametes produced by testes in humans. Millions of sperms are produced by the testes in a day. Each sperm is a single microscopic cell having a head, a middle piece, and a tail. Sperm is a motile gamete which moves through the female reproductive tract with the help of the tail. This is a diagram showing the male gamete, that is sperm. Female reproductive system. The female reproductive system consists of a pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tubes or oviducts, and a single uterus. Ova are produced by ovaries. Fallopian tubes or oviducts carry the ova from ovaries to the uterus. This is the image showing female reproductive system in human. Estrogen. Estrogen is the primary female sex hormone secreted by ovaries. It is responsible for the development of female reproductive organs, secondary sexual characteristics, development of female gamete, that is ovum, and maintenance of menstrual cycle. Ovum. The ovary produces a female gametes known as ovum or ova. In human beings, a single mature egg or ovum is released into the oviduct or fallopian tube by the respective side ovary every month. The ovum is a single cell and is much larger than the sperm. It is non-motile and carried to the uterus by the oviduct. This is the image showing the female gamete or ovum.